SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. Today we are going to talk about in the content writing, that's two important topic. First is your caption writing and second is the PowerPoint presentation. That's what we generally call in a very common term, that's PPT. First, let us talk about what exactly caption writing is all about. In the field of journalism, if we talk about it, for any kind of picture, that we generally come across in your newspaper, in your magazines, or for that matter, even in any kind of printed form, it's very important that, if to have a good picture, you need a good caption too. So caption are the sentences that present on explaining the picture. That's again a very important thing, because somewhere down the line caption kya karta hai, that's they play a very important role in explaining the entire picture in a much more better manner altogether. Now again very importantly, we need to understand that somewhere down the line your picture and caption, it should be correlated to each other. And that's what generally the editors of the newspaper, they generally take these things into consideration. Sometimes somewhere down the line it should not happen कि आपका picture कुछ और कह रहा है और आपका caption कुछ और कह रहा है, so there is no correlation to it. If something kind of such blunt such things happens, then it is going to be a big a very big blunder for the newspaper organizations also. Now, very importantly, if you talk about it, always makes your caption whenever possible in present tense. Now, that's again a very important thing, because you should never give a kind of a headline to the or a caption to the picture in a past tense. Okay, that was, it was, I mean, like all the kind of all the was, you generally you need to avoid that. So never try to use any kind of past tense, and even never try to use your future tense. That it may it will happen, or there may be the chances or something like that. So never try to use any kind of future tense. Always try to keep your captions in a present tense, because you're going to talk from the current scenario, the current point of view, that the situation have happened, or it has occurred. Then we talk about, don't try to be humorous when your picture is not. Now again very important, see, your picture also plays a very important role. In a certain cases, if you talk about the children comics and everything, so in that, if you take those kind of pictures and everything, of course the caption, it has to be comic. But when you talk about the newspapers and all, and when you talk about any kind of serious stories, just for example, we talk about politics, we talk about any kind of crime related stories. So in that sense, you can't make a caption in a very humorous manner. Or else people will be thinking, what kind of editor he is, he is using, the issue is very serious, but then too he has kept the caption in a very humorous manner altogether. So as it is earlier also I told you that your picture and caption, it should correlate to each other. There should always be a correlation that need to be seen by the readers whenever they read the newspaper. Now, describe your picture in detail. That's again very important. You need to explain your picture in detail. For example, what are the exact scenario, what exactly the issue is all about. At least you need to give a kind of in-depth information about a particular issue or a particular picture, because you need to make the readers understand what the picture stands for. See, by only seeing the still picture, many readers, they may not able to understand what exactly the issue is all about. So as a reporter or as a journalist for that matter, you need to make it very clear with what kind of caption you need to put, and you need to give a little bit of information of what exactly the picture stands for, so that the audience and readers do not get confused. So because that's again a very important, because you should never try to play with the emotions of the readers. You need to make it very clear, correct information, and that's what we talk about. The accurate information always play a very important role when you talk about the caption writing. Use punctuations if necessary to engage the readers. Now again, that also depends what exactly the scenario is all about. Every time using punctuation won't make any kind of sense. It also depends upon what exactly the scenario is all about. If there is a kind of serious issue, again, if we talk about the crime related stories, or any murder, it had happened, or any kind of robbery, it has taken place in any kind of banks or something like that. So in that case, you can't use exclamatory mark. because even that we need to understand what exactly the scenario is all about. Okay, because that's a serious issue, it's not a humorous way. अरे हाँ बैंक लूट लिया है तो चलो, it's a very happy occasion. No, it's not a happy occasion. You're not covering a story related to any celebrity ka marriage and all. If you talk about celebrity marriage, yeah, of course usme, by seeing the picture and everything, you can use the kind of your punctuation in the form of exclamation or any other form, but that also depends, what exactly the story is all about. Okay, the next important thing, writing headlines. Very, very, very important, See, headlines are descriptive sentences that describe articles or content. Generally, if you come across in the newspapers, none of the newspapers, none of the stories, you will never find without any kind of headline. Even it may be a small story, or it may be kind of a snippets for that matter. For that also, your headline always play a very important role to it. Now, very important, it should be clear and specific. See, headlines, if we talk about it again, what exactly the story is all about, as per according to that, you need to give your headline. Now, you can't give any such kind of headlines ki, वो story कुछ और कह रहा है और आपका headline कुछ और कह रहा है. There is no kind of correlation and readers are getting confused to it. See, what does that make any kind of sense? Whenever, see, what happens is a general phenomena I can explain you in a very simple manner. Generally, we open our newspapers, the first page ka, front page ka, agar hum newspaper dekhte for that matter, it's always a headline. Okay, hum, article and everything, we read it later on. हम लोग कभी भी पहले आर्टिकल पढ़ के फिर बाद में हेडलाइन नहीं पढ़ते. It's always a headline that we read first, so that the readers, they can get a basic idea of what exactly the issue is all about. अभी जैसे इंडिया चाइना इशू है और इंडिया पाकिस्तान इशू है, और एनी काइंड ऑफ ट्रीटी एग्रीमेंट दैट्स बीन साइन बिटवीन बोथ द कंट्रीज, या जैसे अभी कोविड के सिचुएशन में द वैक्सीनेशन दैट्स बीन गोइंग ऑन, या नहीं तो अभी करंटली एसटीडी का न्यूज आया था, दैट अगेन महाराष्ट्र में केसेस बढ़ने की वजह से कोविड का देयर मे बी चांसेस ऑफ लॉकडाउन वंस अगेन दैट कैन बी इम्पोज्ड by our CM for that matter. So ये सब these are the very serious issues altogether. So we need to be making it very clear and specific, so that आपका वो अभी महाराष्ट्र में more than 4,000 cases आने की वजह से the headline how it will be due to the increased number of COVID cases, Maharashtra CM, or you can exactly put his quotation also. Please don't take it lightly. Maharashtra may face another lockdown. That's it, by Uddhav Thackeray, or by Maharashtra CM. So that's it. So that will be your headline, which will be very much catchy, which will be very much specific and accurate also. The sentence should comprise of 5 to 10 words only, not exceeding that. Now that's again very important. See, headlines kabhi bhi kya hota hai, it should not be like a complete full-fledged sentence, or it should not be an essay kind of a thing. You're not going to explain everything in detail in that headline. You need to make it very clear, very specific. जैसे एडवर्टाइजिंग में हम लोग कैसे बोलते हैं कि वी हैव 30 seconds में द एंटायर एड नीड टू बी एक्सप्लेन्ड, वैसे ही इन दैट 5 to 10 words का हेडलाइन में यू नीड टू एक्सप्लेन एवरीथिंग इन अ वेरी क्लियर मैनर ऑल टुगेदर. Then we have specific and accurate. Now very important, you need to be very much specific to what kind of headline you want to give, and at the same time accurate with the correct information. That again plays a very important role. Now you can't take it so lightly. कुछ भी डाल दिया, कुछ भी headline डाल दिया. No. See, you are those kind of news articles, and that to the front page, readers are going to read. And that's that's a utmost important news story all about. So we need to be very careful with whatever kind of news articles के headlines आप जब भी जो भी डालते हो, you need to be very careful with that. Then we have a use of present tense and active verbs. That's again a very important, because हमेशा जैसे मैंने पहले बताया, always try to use a present tense. See, future you can't predict it. ठीक है, अभी जैसे वी कांट से कह रहे हाँ कोविड जून में खत्म हो जाएगा करके, कैन यू प्रेडिक्ट इट? नो वन कैन प्रेडिक्ट इट. ठीक है, कैन एनीवन अभी का सिनेरियो, अभी फिर से इतना कोविड केसेस बढ़ गया महाराष्ट्र में, कैन एनीवन प्रेडिक्ट इट? प्रेडिक्ट किया हुआ था कि नहीं बाबा, फरवरी में मार्च में फिर से कोविड का केसेस बढ़ेगा. कैन एनीवन हैव प्रेडिक्टेड इट? नो. So the prediction kind of thing, it can never come into the picture whenever you're giving any kind of headlines. So इसीलिए it's very important, always try to keep in the term of the present tense. कभी भी past में भी नहीं. Now you can't again talk about what past में क्या हुआ था. अभी जैसे इंडिया चाइना रिलेशनशिप, if you talk about it, past में ऐसा था, अभी भी वैसा है. So you can't try to compare the relationship between the two countries altogether. So for that matter, headlines and everything, whatever you write, always try to use the present tense. Next important is like avoid repetition. Yes, abhi the same kind of words and all, abhi ek hi headlines mein don't use two times the, or like don't use the same meaning. I mean, like ek word ka dono same meanings hote hai, dono ek hi sath. Headlines mein never try to use these kind of sentences. Just try to avoid, so that the repetitions and everything hum avoid kar sakte hain, and we can make it quite interesting also to the readers. Next important thing is use numbers to give concrete takeaways. For example, अभी किसी का terrorist attack होता है, और any kind of accident अगर हुआ है, बस कोई accident हुआ है, so always try to give the numbers. 22, 22, 20, 10. I mean, like however कितना भी number होने दो, but try to be specific with that, even the numbers. ठीक है, or approximately, or like वैसे kind of thing. Again you can never try to be sure of it. मतलब ऐसे कभी भी ज्यादा अंदाजा लगा के, हमें नेवर बी टू जजमेंटल, अरे हाँ नहीं ज्यादा भी हो सकता है, नहीं बहुत कम हो सकता है, नेवर ट्राई टू बी इन दैट मैनर. तो सच अ बेटर एज अ जर्नलिस्ट ट्राई टू ऑलवेज डू द फैक्ट चेक. ठीक है, आप फैक्ट चेक करो कि कितने लोग इंजर हुए, क्या है एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड देन यू प्रेजेंट इट. अब अभी approximately, these kind of sentences, it will never get into, never fit into your headlines. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए इट्स बेटर ऑलवेज इज बेस्ट कि कौन सा हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती हुआ है, ठीक है, कितने लोग इंजर हुए, कितने लोग का डेथ हुआ है. सो ट्राई टू गिव दैट इन अ वेरी मच स्पेसिफिक मैनर ऑल टुगेदर. use emotional objective, again very important. See, just stories, I mean, like if you talk about any kind of accident or any kind of rape for that matter, use such a kind of the emotional aspect that automatically come into the picture. See, these are not a very happy occasion. ठीक है, अभी किधर टेररिस्ट अटैक होता है, किसी का रेप होता है, these are not a happy occasion, for that we tend to cheer it and all. कभी कोई हैप्पी ओकेजन हो, जैसे अभी इंडिया इंग्लैंड अभी अगर ये टेस्ट मैच जीत जाता है एंड एवरीथिंग, देन इट विल बी एन हैप्पी ओकेजन फॉर इंडिया ऑल टुगेदर. सो अगेन दैट आल्सो टेंड टू डिपेंड फ्रॉम व्हाट एग्जैक्टली द सिनेरियो इज ऑल अबाउट. यूज द 4 W's and 1 H. That's again a very important, you always, I'm not talking from the point of view of your the inverted pyramid ka introduction part of your article, but even when you're writing the headlines, it's very important, try to write from the point of view is your 4 W's. That's where, when, what, all these kind of things, you need to include, and how for that matter, because even when, where, these things, you have to mention it very clearly. Because generally when you talk about the news articles, हमेशा mention करते हैं कि like whether it's a New Delhi में हुआ है, या मुंबई में हुआ है, या चेन्नई में हुआ है, बेंगलुरु में हुआ है, किधर, I mean, like the incident and everything, they always try to mention it. So the 4 W's and 1 H always play a very key role to it. Create a sense of promise. Again, that's a very important thing. We always need to create a sense of promise. Like whatever information we have been presenting it, it's completely accurate, it's completely correct, it's 100% fact that we are going to present this kind of story is all about. So never try to give a kind of a ray of doubt to the readers for that matter. Then we have that last important topic is the PowerPoint presentation, or what we can say the PPT. Now, the PowerPoint program, or the PowerPoint presentation was, again started by two important persons, that is, Robert Gaskins and Dennis Austin in the year in 1987 on 20th April. Now, basically, PPT, that's a very common thing, generally we use on a day-to-day basis. Okay, even for as you people as a student, काफी faculties, they always tend to give you, अरे हाँ PowerPoint presentations बनाओ, then presentation देना है आपको. So now PPT, it's a very, on an office level, on your college level, for every kind of, even for that matter, even school levels, maybe, you have IT as a different subject altogether. Even students, they are, very much comfortable in using the PowerPoint presentation. And it's compared to, if you talk about the rest of the other MS Office, PPT is considered to be much more creative, much more imaginative, much more attractive also. Now let us understand what exactly the PPT is all about. So provide an ease to visual communication, because PPT में क्या होता है, again you have an opportunity wherein you can use your audio and visual. ठीक है, पहले when your PPT actually came into the picture, उस point of time there were not a kind of a concept, वो video करके इतना concept नहीं था. ठीक है, but then you talk about the current, अभी जैसे MS Word 16 है, 19 है for that matter, so in all these kind of your MS PowerPoint presentations, generally we have that kind of video, so we can make it quite interesting for the students. We can make quite interesting for the official presentations also. Used for business and other areas, as it is, I have clearly mentioned that PPT today has been used at all the different levels altogether, for the business and entrepreneurs, for the business class people, for the office goers, or even if you want to start up your own business for that matter, even for that matter also PPT has been very useful for the college going students, for school going students. PPT has been used at a wide and a larger sector of population. We have it's a easy program program tool to use, a powerful tool for giving a presentation. Now again, if you talk about it, your PowerPoint, it is considered to be one of the most and a powerful tool when it comes to giving up the presentation. That is why one of the major reason, it's easy access and ability to share information. See, PPT में क्या होता है, generally you can give it in a in a pointers. ठीक है, if you generally see my PPT also for that matter, क्या simple एक pointers में लिख दो, and you can give the explanation in a much more better manner, or like pass on the information in a elaborative manner. So PPT क्या होता है, never try to make it in a very full-fledged sentence, or like too much of points and everything, with too much of lengthy sentences, पूरा एक paragraph जैसे, never try to make it in that manner. See, we are not going to do it in your word में कैसा होता है, you can bifurcate in the point in your pointers, you can bifurcate in the paragraphs for that matter, but PPT means always been best to keep it in a form of pointers. Then we have reduce speaking anxiety by drawing eyes away from the speaker. Again, that's a very important, because PPT, why the PPT plays a very important role, because somewhere down the line, they can the opposite person, they can generally get an entire information by going through the slides also. So for that, I mean, like speakers जो कभी-कभी they may be anxious, I mean, like थोड़ा kind of डर लगता रहेगा, अरे हाँ सबके सामने बात करने के लिए and everything. So what the opposite person, they may not tend to look keen towards the speaker, but rather than the PPT, what the kind of information or any kind of graphics or any kind of images that a speaker has been included. Okay, now a need for PowerPoint presentation. First is a visual impact. Use of multimedia can help to improve audience's focus. Now, of course, you do have a concept of multimedia, so wherein you can make it quite, interesting, quite creative, quite appealing by using different kind of features. Okay, we have clip arts for that matter. We have different other menus, that's been available on PPT, so that, we can make it quite interesting. And we have different kind of slide shapes and everything, so we can make the readers quite attractive also. Allow to use image, audio and video. Again, very importantly, one thing that needs to be taken care whenever we try to prepare a PPT for that matter, your image, audio and video, and for that matter even the text, these things play a very important role to it. Because whenever you speak, whenever you are presenting a video kind of a thing, first and foremost thing, you need to have a good modulation. The voice modulation also plays a very important role over here. Then again, images, never try to include too much of images or too much of text. Try to balance it out. Okay, fine, अगर ये slide में for if you are keeping 3 to 4 the pointers in the form of text, so try to use only 1 or 2 images. Okay, never try to keep it so much, I mean, like ज़्यादा पूरा image रख के, I mean, like if there is no text, then again that also tend to make the readers quite confused to a certain extent. Then we have your collaboration. The collaboration, it allows you to work with other people. So of course, somewhere down the line, if you talk about it, collaboration में क्या होता है, we generally try to collaborate with your office colleagues, or with your other teammates for that matter, so even they can get a better opportunity for looking at the PPT in a much more better manner. So useful in office setting where teamwork is a key. Of course, generally if you talk about the office, employees, generally, I mean, like, if they're working in a team or in a group for that matter, anyone can view it. And that is quite interesting in our PPT. So we have multiple people can collaborate and contribute. So, again, where, if some people, in individual for that matter, if he or she want to contribute in that particular slide or something like that, even they can make, quite a lot of changes also. Review and a new comment. So we have a kind of a menu, that option, वहाँ पे review, and then you can you can make a comment on it, then we can make the changes accordingly. कभी कभी हमको ऐसा लगता रहेगा कि अरे हाँ नहीं ये इंक्लूड नहीं करना चाहिए, इसके बदले ऐसा होना चाहिए, so these kind of changes it can be easily been made on the PowerPoint presentation. Then beneficial for the clarification. Now that's again very important because you get a very clear picture altogether. There is no kind of any benefit of doubt नहीं है. जैसे क्रिकेट मैच में होता है ना, we have a benefit of doubt होता है. So वैसे somewhere down the line, we don't have a concept of benefit of doubt. So all the things, it's been clearly being clarified altogether. Then we have content sharing, that is share the presentations on YouTube. Now that's again very popular trend altogether. कि लोग क्या PPT बनाते हैं and everything, we can easily post it on YouTube. जैसे we have slideshares.com. That again, that's one of the very key important thing कि काफी लोग जो है SlideShare में उन लोग अपना PPTs and everything बनाते हैं, like they put it, slideshare.com, I mean like PPT बना के वो slideshare.com में डाल देते हैं, and that also generally people can view it, and it acts as a reference purpose for the students also. ठीक है. Then we have file can be saved in a WMV format. Of course, generally हम लोग जैसे we have ये Excel के लिए XSLS होता है, then JPG format होता है, वैसे कहीं ना कहीं देखा जाएगा तो we have that kind of video kind of a format होता है जिसमें हम लोग पूरा save करके we can post it on YouTube. Then this format is capable of playback on Windows Media Player. So हम लोग कभी अगर right click करेंगे, even if you want to play, हम लोग वो Windows Media Player में जाके हम click करेंगे तो generally you can view the entire content altogether. Then can be uploaded in most video sites. Of course, जैसे मैंने आपको slideshare.com बताया, you have n number of other websites हो ना, कहीं ना कहीं आप जाके आप आपका जो content है, जो भी information whatever you want to share with the public platform में आप easily share कर सकते हो. Then we have flexibility, that it can be used in number of effective way to communicate. Because PPT में कैसा होता है, you can generally use in different forms, in different ways altogether. You can only include the kind of text, you can only make it in a video format. So कैसे भी आपको करना है, you can make with lot of the creativity, lot of modification and everything, it can be done. Slides are completely customizable. Again, you can easily customize your slides altogether. ठीक है, एक बार आपने कस्टमाइज किया है तो समवेयर डाउन द लाइन नो वन विल ट्राई टू, आपने एक बार पोस्ट कर दिया तो लोग कभी बैठ के कोई छेड़छाड़ी नहीं कर सकते. So again, based on the approach, it can be made text heavy or image heavy. Again, that's मैंने जैसे पहले बताया, somewhere down the line you need to balance it out. अगर आपने टेक्स्ट हेवी रखा है तो नेवर ट्राई टू इंक्लूड टू मच ऑफ इमेजेस, बिकॉज इमेजेस अगर आप जितना डालते हो स्लाइड्स में, कहीं ना कहीं आपका स्लाइड्स इट टेंड टू बिकम क्वाइट स्लो, बिकॉज इमेजेस में क्या होता है, आपका वो जेपीजी फॉर्मेट में होता है एंड एवरीथिंग, वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा स्पेस खाता है देन कंपेयर टू टेक्स्ट. जैसे हम लोग का सेल फोन में भी वो क्यों हैंग होने लगता है इफ यू हैव टू मच ऑफ इमेजेस, टू मच ऑफ वीडियोस एंड ऑल. कभी भी टेक्स्ट में इतना प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, जनरली यू डू फाइंड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रॉब्लम विद द इमेजेस. सो कभी हेवी इमेजेस अगर आप डाउनलोड करते हैं, सो ऑलवेज बिफोर वन मोर इम्पोर्टेंट एडवाइस, अगर आप कभी इमेज भी डाउनलोड करते हो इन योर पीपीटी, सी टू इट कि ठीक है उसका कितना क्या है, केबी कितना है क्या है, वेदर यू कैन रिड्यूस इट, तो उतना कहीं ना कहीं वी कैन रिड्यूस करके थोड़ा क्रॉप करके देन यू कैन पेस्ट इट ऑन योर पीपीटी. ठीक है, नहीं तो अगर ज्यादा इतना एनलार्ज करके डालोगे एंड एवरीथिंग तो उतना आपका पीपीटी का जो स्लाइड्स वो इट मे टेंड टू हैपन, कभी हैंग होने लगता है, देन इट मे बी प्रॉब्लम फॉर योरसेल्फ आल्सो. एंड आप कभी भी किसी के सामने प्रेजेंटेशन देते रहोगे ना, अचानक से कभी हैंग हो जाएगा तो इट लुक्स वेरी ऑड आल्सो. ठीक है, देन आता है बेनिफिट फ्रॉम विजुअल एज वेल एज नोट्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. तो इसमें कैसे अगेन यू कैन टेक इट इन अ पॉइंट ऑफ एज अ विजुअल के तौर पे भी आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. इवन यू कैन टेक इट इन फॉर्म ऑफ नोट्स आल्सो, ताकि ये पॉइंटर्स लिख के यू कैन एलॉबरेट इन अ मच मोर बेटर मैनर. थैंक यू.